Hello everyone, welcome to Unacademy, the number one learning app in India that made learning easy for all the students. So hope all the joiners will come for live as soon as possible. And let me wait till all the joiners come for live. Yes. So today's session is all about combination of capacitors. So it's like we had one session regarding this. Overall present, please say he, hello, hi, so that I can say hi to you, my dears. Anyone? Someone is online. So we will try to solve around three numericals in a quick session of 30 seconds. Before going for that, it's live on Unacademy Plus for the free classes, and even Unacademy Plus. If you subscribe for Unacademy Plus, then you need to pay. Like you will get a complete syllabus will be covered from your syllabus, and even tips and tricks are given by the top educators from part of Karnataka, and topic wise practice questions, full length mock test, everything. So please subscribe for Unacademy Plus as soon as possible, and it is only at 2250 and available till 30th of November, and it is only for new subscribers. So you can use my code, that is RITESHLIVE. So that is the code for subscribing Unacademy Plus. So you can avail 10% instant discount over the Plus subscription. So join at bit.ly/IGETCET. So that is the link for joining Unacademy. So other than that, we have three different plans, like 1 month plan at 2250, and a 6 month plan at 11250, and 12 month plan at 13750. So these are the different plans we are having for the students who really need to subscribe for an Academy Plus and are really willing to crack competitive exams such as KCET and even NEET and all. So please subscribe for an Academy Plus in YouTube channel, and even like the session after the 30 minutes, so that I can understand like this session was very helpful for you guys. So and even the beneficiaries what we give for the students is like a premium content at affordable price, structured live courses, dedicated live doubt clearing sessions, quizzes at a regular interval of time for the self analysis, batches for the complete preparation, and test series for DPPS, single subscription for unlimited access. Right. So everyone there? Hello? Yes. Let me go for the session. Before going for the session, so in combination of capacitors, we have two combinations. So before going for that, what is Coulomb's law? Coulomb's law is like Q is equal to CV. Everyone well aware of it, right? Yashasvi, hello, hi, and other two. Thank you for joining. So this is the basic formula you need to remember for solving capacitor problems, right? So according to that, you will have different formulas for series combination and even for the parallel combination, right? So for the equivalent capacitance, and here also for the equivalent capacitance. Then also I need to find what charges on all the capacitors. So how many capacitors they have given, according to that I need to find charges over all the capacitors, right? Hello Ganita, hi, please be online. Yes, so these two, this is all about what series capacitors, you know. So when Q charge is flowing, value of V will be different, right? Where in series, and what about Q? Q will be same across all the capacitors. All right. Okay. So similarly, you will get an answer like 1 by C equivalent is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. So this is the equivalent capacitance. Okay, done. So other than that, we have combination of capacitors for parallel capacitors. Like it is multi-way where current I will flow in different three patterns, right? Where charge is different but voltage is same all over. So I can write like Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. That will give answer CV is equal to C1V plus C2V plus C3V. Okay, so this is the very important equation you need to remember. That's it. Okay, so we already solved one problem in the recent class in YouTube session, right? From combination of capacitors, and we will solve one more today, like C equivalent for this problem, and even charges on each capacitor. So how can you solve? How can you solve this? Yes, you know the what formula for C equivalent for a series and even for parallel capacitors, right? So C equivalent for what? Which one we will take? You take C3 and C4 and tell me the answer for C equivalent. For C3 and C4, C equivalent will be what? That is series or parallel. Yes, that is parallel. For parallel, it is directly you can write like C3 plus C4, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3 microfarad. I am right? Am I right? Yes. Good, Yashasvi. Then other than the new circuit form will be how much? So this is the battery and this is the capacitor, right? Okay, new circuit will be in this form where you got the recent answer, that is 3 microfarad here. Okay, and remaining is here it is how much? 1 microfarad, and again here it is 1 microfarad, right? Okay, so these two are in, again these two are in parallel or series. So it is in parallel, but you cannot tell these two are in parallel. No, why? Because a battery is in between. Okay, so you can solve these two like C equivalent for these two parallel capacitors, that is 1 and 1, right? How much you will get? 2 microfarad, is it right? Yes. So the new, here you will get 2 microfarad. So the new diagram will be like this. Am I right? Yes. So here it is 2 microfarad and here it is how much? 3 microfarad. So again these two are parallel or series? Yes, these two are in series. Why? Because battery is in between, so that you cannot say it is in parallel, right? So I can tell you really current I will flow in such a way that in single way. Okay, so in between there is no other capacitors, ಈ ತರ capacitors ಇಲ್ಲ, right? So I can tell it is a series capacitor. So C equivalent is equal to 1 by 2, you know the formula, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 whole inverse, right? What is the C equivalent value? Anyone? C equivalent value, how much you got? Quick. So that is 6 here. Uh, yes, 6 by 5 microfarad, right? Good. So this is the answer for C equivalent. Next, I need to find what charges on each capacitor. That is, sorry, charges on each capacitor. So that is Q4, Q3, Q2, and Q1. How much? So anyone? So first you need to find what net Q value. So how can you find net Q value? Sorry for that. Sorry for that. Net Q value. How much I can get? So QS is nothing but CV, that is C equivalent into voltage. So CV how much we got, that is 6 by 5 into voltage total, how much voltage they have given. So okay, voltage not given, you take it as 100. Okay, so if it is 100, then the answer will be 5 ones are 5, 20 is a Q net will be 120 microfarad. Is it right? Hope everyone got. Yes or no? Yes. So that I can write 120 microfarad as a Q. So in this diagram, okay, in this diagram, here Q value will be 120 microfarad. Sorry, microcoulombs. So this is coulombs in terms of coulombs. Why? Because it is current charge, not current charge. Okay. So ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ these two are in series, so I can directly write here how much. I can directly write this value where it will come. So this and this, right? So this is C4. I can directly write Q4 is equal to 120 microfarad. So one answer I got, and other one is Q dash. I will take Q double dash, and this value, that is also 120 microfarad. Okay. So but the 2 microfarad is nothing but combination of these two. No. Hello, hi Devika. Okay, let me rewrite the diagram because it will make some confusions, right? So first we had a diagram. So ನೋಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋದು, ಆರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. First we write the diagram. So this is the diagram we had. Here we had one. Okay, first we solved these two, then we got a new diagram like right, correct, huh? Yes. So after that we solve these two, right, this and this, so that we will get, we got another circuit like this. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ values ಯಾವ ತರ ಇತ್ತು, you go through it. C1, C2, C3 and C4. I will name like that only. C1, C2, C3 and C4. Okay, so after the solution we got this as C dash. Okay, this is itself C2, this is C1, right? Okay, good. Then after solving these two, again we got this as C double dash and this as C dash. Okay, now it's clear. So the Q net value QS we got how much? 6 by 5 microcoulombs. Is it right? Yes. So I can say charge over these two capacitors will be same, that is Q double dash also 6 by 5 microcoulomb, and even Q dash is also 6 by 5 microcoulomb. Okay, but I need charges on every capacitor. So what is Q dash? Go through this peak. What is Q dash? Q dash is nothing but combination of Q dash is nothing but combination of C3 and C4, right? Okay, so I can write this as how much, ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರಿಬೋದು? So this is q dash, combination of C4 and C3, that is nothing but they are in parallel, right? So this is C4 and this is C3. Yes, okay. So how much charge we had? Q dash, that is 6 by 5. Yes, Q is 120. Where 120? I need to take a line voltage here, okay, where V is same. So I need to find V value, that is Q is equal to CV, okay. Q is equal to CV. What is C equivalent of these two? What is C? That two, C4 and C3. ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? Oh shit. 2 plus 1, 3 ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, right? Okay, I can write 3 into V how much? Again 100. So Q value is 300 volts. So here it is 300. Is it right or wrong? Yashasvi, 300 right or wrong? We had Q is equal to CV. We need to find V value, that is V is equal to Q by C. Q how much we had? That is 6 by 5 into, sorry, divide by C how much value? Again 3. V will be 6 by 5 into 3. Is it right or wrong? Yashasvi? Six by 5, 6 by 5. Q is not 6 by 5, it is 120. Then you only told, right, Yashasvi? 120. Yes, yes, right, 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 right. Okay, sorry, sorry, sorry. Right. Thank you. Q equivalent, Q net we got how much? 120, right? So V value will be 120 divided by 3. That is 3 4s are 12, 40. So I can write V value as 40 here and again 40 here. So when I multiply to this, I will get a value 40 into Q3 how much again? 2. That is 80 microcoulombs. So similarly, for C here C4, that is we had 1, right? 40 into 1, that is 40 microcoulombs. So similarly you do for all the remaining. Okay, so next we go for another. Where it is, where it is, where it is. Go for this first. We have only 10 minutes. Get the C equivalent value here. How much for this? So these three capacitors C1, C2 and C3 are in series, right? Because when a current I flows, it will move in two ways, but this way is single path, right? So that C1, C2, C3 are equal. So I can write C equivalent for that path is 1 by value is given 10, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10. So get me the C equivalent value please. That is 10, 3. So the value is 3 by 10 for this. Okay. So I can write a new circuit that is 3 by 10, and here it is another one that is 10 microfarad. Okay, so the last one is voltage, that is V is equal to 500 volts. Okay, when I do these two that are in parallel, so C equivalent will be 3 by 10 plus 10. I will get value 10, 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 10. 2 2s are 2, 5s are value will be inverse, no not inverse, 2 by 5. When they are in series, yes, right, good. It is not 3 by 10, it is inverse of this. We will do the same mistake in the exam. So the answer is here 10 by 3. Good, Yashasvi. Seriously, pantragideera. Good. So here it will be 10 by 3 plus 10, right? So because it is in parallel, direct plus. So the answer will be 3, 10 plus, not 10, it is 1 plus 3. So the answer will be 4 by 3. ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ, recheck, is it right or wrong? 4 by 3. Recheck. It is 4 by 3. So new circuit diagram, that is C equivalent, is nothing but 4 by 3, and here it is voltage of 500 volt. Yes, Devik, I got that. Yeah, seriously, 10 by 3. So 3 is a common denominator. 10 plus, okay, sorry, 10 into 3. Okay, 30. That is 40 by 3. 40 by 3. Okay, so this is the C equivalent. Super. And then what about the answer? So C equivalent anyhow we will go and get every time. Now I need to get a value of charge on each capacitor. So please. So ಇದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಅನ್ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಇದನ್ನೇ. ಸೊ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಇವಾಗ ಫುಲ್ ಪಂಟ್ರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು because these are in parallel, alright. V will be same. So how you get V value? V is equal to Q is equal to CV, right? V is equal to Q divided by C, correct? ಹೌದು. I need to find first what? Q, that is Q net. Q net is nothing but net value of Q, that is CV. See how much? 40 by 3 into 500, right or wrong? Right. So I can write 20, 5 4 is 20, 30 divide by 3. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಕೂಡ ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಡೆಸಿಮಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂಡ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ Q value will be QS value will be C into V. So ಇದು correct? 20,000 divided by 3. So V value will get 20,000 divided by 3 into C equivalent denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, C value how much? So 3 get cancelled, 41 the 45 the 500. So V value will be 500. Is it right? Hello Purnachandra, thank you for joining. V value is 500 here. Now you need to get Q value, that is multiplying this value, right or wrong? Right. So what is the value of this capacitor? That is C4 anyhow. Okay, but this is C dash or double dash, whatever. QS is 2000 by 3. No chance, Yashasvi. 5 4 is 20 into 30. No, not 2000, it is 20,000. Yashasvi, do correction. 20,000 divided by 3. This time I am right. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಇದು C4 ಹೌದಾ? C4 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಫೈಂಡ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ Q4 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Q4 is nothing but V into C4. So that is V how much? 500 into C4, that is 10. So Q4 value will be 5000 microfarad. So we got one answer. 5000 microfarad. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು Q ಡ್ಯಾಶ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅದು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ C1 C2 C3 ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆರ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೆಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ Q ಓವರ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇದು Q ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 20,000 divided by 3 ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇದು C dash is nothing but C1 C2 C3. So I can directly write Q1 is equal to 20,000 divided by 3 microcoulombs, and even Q2 also same, and even Q3 is also same. So this is the value. Yashasvi, hope you got. That is 20,000, right? Correct alva? Please text there. Devika, are you getting? And remaining? Yes sir, super. So this is all about ಯಾವುದು ಇವಾಗಿದು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆರಾಮ, ಇದು ಈಸಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸಿ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ಸೊ ಇದೆರಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1/200 plus 1/200 again. So that is nothing but how much you got? 2 ones are 200. So either the 100 you will get. Okay, inverse. 100 picofarad. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 100 picofarad. So new circuit will be like this. Correct? Okay. So this is 100, this is 100, and again this is 100. So go for it. These two are in parallel. That is direct plus. A new equation, new circuit will be correct. So ಅದು 200 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, and again here it is 100. So the answer here it is 300 volt. Okay. So now when current I flows here, it will move in a single path. That means these two are in series. Okay, C equivalent will be 1/200 plus 1/100. That is how much? 1 plus 2, that is 3/200. So the answer is 3/200 C equivalent. Hope you got everyone. Fast. Right answer? Three by 200. Devika, Yashasvi, Ganita, Purnachandra. Is it right? Yes. Okay, these two are in series, so I need to inverse this, right? Okay, so adana maribedi. Answer will be 200 divided by 3. Good. Okay, so how can I find Q1, Q2, Q3? You know, right? So you will first try to get the answer of QS here. QS is nothing but 300 into equivalent, that is 200 divided by 3. 3 ones are 300s. So the answer will be 2000. 20,000 again. Right? QS value 20,000 pico coulombs. Okay. So next ಅದು ನೋಡಿ distribution ಯಾವ ತರ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ. So when it go here, these two are in parallel. Okay, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ current will be same. Okay, when they are in series. So ಅದನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ divide ಮಾಡಿ, then you will get the answer. So this is all about today's session over capacitors. So briefly Unacademy platform ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. So around 10 classes ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೆ. So Yashasvi, Devika used to come there, right? So hope you understood, my dears. Thank you for joining everyone, and we will meet you all again in tomorrow's session. Um, hope you understood, and any doubts regarding, you can text me there, or else you can directly ping to my number, and my number there, you know, right, everyone? So any doubts regarding the subject, you can directly contact me, or text me there if you have any doubts. 7978. Okay. Thank you so much for joining, and we will meet you all again in tomorrow's session. Have a great time, great day.